Action facility. O sa inyo sinabi ni Senara, kailangan gawin natin lagi kahit maka-dailies tayo. Yung sa Starcom. Importante talaga. Para makapera tayo agad ng gamit.
Marami naman, di ba?
Yung biglang bumababa yung...
Tumitingin pa ako sa mapa. May mga nagresolve ng
Dami.
mga zombie.
Sige.
Just open the bunker doors.
Copy. Get into the bunker, Johnny.
Ano ka na, di ba? Nakuha mo na.
Wala pa.
Tatlo yung kailangan mo.
Dalawa.
Dalawa nakuha mo o dalawa yung
Dalawa pa need ko.
Ay, yung isa nasa rooftop.
Yun.
Dito.
Hindi ka naman nagpi-play, paano ka lalakas?
Snipe tayo dito.
Naka-blue na ba yung sniper mo?
Tapos,
Blue na ba yan?
tahan natin.
Go.
Pwede mo.
Agas.
Kailangan nata umakyat. Paano ba? May elevator ba dito? Sakatin natin yung ladder. Baka mali itong mapa.
Merong umiilaw sa likod eh. Ano ba to?
Yan na ata yan.
Voting ko lang.
For one.
Yes, I was.
Quiet in this chamber. Who gave you those orders?
Alex, I found another one.
What do you see?
I see a woman with a gun. Samara.
Ha?
6 minutes na lang yung natira.
Hindi, pwede pa yan. Ano naman yan eh, RNG naman yan eh. Mali mo, unang pull mo. Electric.
Ay, pwede pala akong mag-teleport. Patayin ba ng bantay?
Dropping ammo here.
Walang lumalabas sa akin.
Check mo ulit
Pero
kailangan. Meron lumalabas, di ba?
Dito.
Oh, try mo ulit. Hanapin ko yung isang crate sa kabilang side.
30. Ganda rin yung base mo, no, dito, tabing dagat.
Oo. Maraming bahay nga na sa palibot eh.
Function facility, dagdag pa ako.
Gawa tayong glass.
Station. Power is down.
Right on time. Pop the lock on Elena's door, Laswell.
On it. Stand by. Doors open, boys. We're in. Watch those drones, 7-1.
Ghost, what's the floor?
Breakers located.
High up the Coney food chain.
Copy. How do we extract?
2 heads up for hostiles coming your way.
Uy, need ko help.
Wala lahat pare-pareho.
Dali.
Sakit.
Saan ba yun?
go for the vault key. Ghost secures the rear perimeter.
We'll need eyes.
I'll pilot a drone and coordinate from the air.
I like what I'm hearing.
Let's go follow the money.
We owe a debt of gratitude.
Connect dito.
Enemy focus on the cargo ship!
Ano ba yan? Uwi na ako dyan. Uy, may ano oh. May event oh. Dig to Hell. Ito yung ginawa natin.
Gawin natin
diba?
yan, gawin natin. Magkaano lang ako ng...
Sige.
Our intel is solid. Makarov's entire chemical stockpile is on that base. If they're not in that hangar, they'll be in the next one. Just be sure of a bomb.
The enemy's taking the lead.
Yung monolith. Oh, sama natin si
Ano yan?
expert na Sayonara. Ay, Sayonara may fishing event oh. Gusto mo? Nasa
Sige,
East
ako.
Coast.
Uwi lang muna ako, magbabawas ako ng timbang.
May nakita akong malaking isda sa tubig. Tapos doon ko tinutok.
Malit yung kumagat.
Hindi, yun. Yung
Ayun mismo yung kumagat.
Oo.
Makikita mo na kung sino yung kaagat eh, usually.
Sanity yung area na yun. Ayun. Alahati na
Okay.
agad yung sanity ko.
Tapos... Walang lumalabas sa akin.
Check mo ulit,
Pero
kailangan. Meron lumalabas,
merong
diba?
dito.
Oh, try mo ulit. Hanapin ko yung isang crate sa kabilang side.
On Makarov's bankroll.
We're not looking for money.
Soap, you find the money, you find the man.
Where are you getting intel? Without an army, you got nothing.
Wrong again, boys.
Amin. Hagdanan ba?
Yung hagdanan sa baba.
Kaya pala maraming lumalabas. Dito pala sila galing.
Down. We got nothing but fire and brimstone out there, and that's all the confirmation we need. 6, go to 1.
Go for 6.
It's over, John. We nailed that bastard to hell and gone.
Yeah, that's
Watcher to Bravo. Watcher to Bravo. Be advised, radar.
Oo. May binigay din ako kay ano kanina.
Yun natin.
Ayan oh, may barakuda oh.
May kumagat sa akin, malaki.
Enough enemies to your location.
Copy that. Guys, let's get a move on.
Keep alert, guys. They're looking high and low for you. Hostiles coming down the stairs.
Dito ako dadaan. Mas mabilis ata dito.
Saan tayo? Ano muna? Richie.
Oo, kasi dalawang rift anchor yan eh.
Okay.
So,
Lumalaban yung sardinas.
Makakakin na naman.
sardinas to. Maliit eh. Thank you.
Nako tetigisa.
Upgrade mo lang yung generator mo. Ay, ano mo.
Wala pa, kailangan pa aluminum. Ano, teleport na lang tayo.
Teleport.
Hindi, kahit ano lang, kahit solar energy lang, ma-upgrade niyan.
Nakasarado yung ano eh, entrance eh.
Yung hagdan kanina, saan? Dito.
Sa taas galing.
Ito. Nakita mo na yung dito?
Gear up. There'll be more of them here soon.
Calling reinforcements heading our way.
Ghost, we're coming to you. Rope and LZ near the boat now. Form up on my mark. AO is hot. Spotted. Eyes on LZ.
Recovery balloon on the roof.
Only good reason for that is quick removal of something you don't want found.
Or someone.
The complex is a maze.
Guys will sweep from the bottom up. I'll overwatch the roof.
Oo naman.
I got him. Kilo's marked. Gunner knocked those birds out of the sky.
X-ray down. The right, Lieutenant. Turret down. Focus fire. We'll ran a tracer to lasso signals in the area. We can locate past your cell phones and track down the flight recorder.
Copy. On the move.
I see you. Got your 6. I'll relay what I see from here.
Baka may lalabas na monster dito.
Wala naman.
Return books. Ano nangyari? Walang ako.
Clear my name. Tell them who I am, what you gave me, and why.
No one else had the balls to do what I did for you. For all of you.
Then do the right thing, General.
All your
Saan banda?
Kung nasaan ako. Wait lang, hindi ko pala katin.
Check out their mortar team.
Makarov. He destroys his whole base to keep those chemicals. They'll be in the next hangar. He might be too.
Clear. Moving up.
Copy that.
Right side, watch your fire. Christ almighty.
You said it, son. Ghost and I are 10 mics out. Let's bag this bastard. Out here.
Makarov threatened the airport and he hit the stadium instead.
Yung furnace ko rin, electric. Daming kailangan ng kuryente kasi yung gamit.
Lang, pag may ano na tayo, hydro, kaya na lahat.
Babayad na tayo ng
The enemy is gaining ground. Push them back.
Tapusin ko muna yung Like a Dragon.
Ay,
Dami ko pang di tapos sa laro eh. Yung Persona 3 nga, di ko pa tapos.
na ano lang ako dyan, na dun sa
Like a little shadow graves, yeah?
Makarov's dead, Captain. Don't let him live inside your head. Eagle out.
Shepard only sees what.
The reservoir. Good hunting down there, LT. Same, Johnny.
Sige pa. May daming ano sa akin eh, kalaban.
doon na lang sa kabila, mag-drop ako ng ammo. So yun naman yung ayun.
Enemy vehicle.
Yung Mirage.
Ayan, 0.7 kila. Uy, ano to?
Claim.
Seeing you again, McTavish. I promise.
Hindi kumagat sa'yo?
Hindi, maliit.
Malit nga.
Sardinas.
Nakita ko yung kumagat eh. Nag-overtake eh.
That's enough out of you.
Ito ata yung pwesto natin kanina.
Sniper muna binili ko. Masakit.
Tag secure. Kill confirmed.
Damit.
Kailangan mo ng bala, di ba?
Oh, bala. Rifle.
Marami akong bala. Kaya gagawa rin ako extra.
Hardpoint compromised.
Enemy down!
Enemy moving inside the perimeter. Hardpoint
Up! Yes, sir. Soap, get on that bomb! Aye. 2 minutes, sir. All Bravo, bomb located in crossover platform. I need cover here, now!
Bago ito maglakad. Bas kaya, bigat ba? Oo nga, puno na pala ako.
Muna ako na. Gawa ko ng 2 stove kasi iron. Sige. Baka kailangan natin pasukin muna.
Siguro Saan pa ba ito?
Enemy securing Charlie. Friendly cluster.
Universal Bait. Baka yung mga baril ko yung mabigat, no?
At any given time, Bravo, he's gonna trap the trains and destroy the tunnel.
We have no proof of that.
Not yet.
Makarov's train just stopped at a crossover platform 20 miles in.
I'll have SFOs dispatch a second.
Yung last minute mo siya yung bago bumitaw.
Oo.
Effective,
yeah.
parang effective eh.
Parang effective na, ganun din ginagawa ko eh. Mga last second.
Tagal na
Disregard that.
Secure and hold the objective. We cannot lose here. We control Alpha. On your side! Enemy secure. Captain, got 2 snipers in the... We're taking Alpha. We've lost the lead.
enemy jets in the air. Press for contact. Too late. Enemy missiles incoming. We're in the other one. Bought yourself some time. With more moving on your position.
Ah.
Fire support. How do we extract?
Helo's too risky. You boys catch anything worth bringing home? Nick will pull you out via fixed wing.
The balloon. Skyhook.
If macro.
Enemies inside the perimeter.
Get a sneak cam on that right side. I'm in. Talk to me, so. Bomb's dirty, Captain. C4. Enemy vehicle inbound.
Huli ka.
May iba naman ng pwesto.
Parakuda.
Oh, meron?
Oo. Laki.
Event na PvP may truck dati. Sama mo.
Yung may hinahabol tayo.
May nagpapatayan tayo.
Yung jellyfish ba yun? Yun ba yun?
Oo. Rare pala yung Dave.
Eyes high, Johnny. Dust them when you see them. Roger, LT.
So Romanova's making calls from her.
Makompleto ko yung dalawa.
Sige, sundan mo ako. Akit ka sa ladder.
Let's keep making.
Ay, sorry. Na-cancel.
Cancelled. Sige.
Layo naman yan.
Raid.
Hindi, pwede ka
Yes.
mag-teleport. Teleport ka lang.
Pinaka...
Ayun, cancel.
nga.
Mag-trade ako.
Okay.
Tara.
Ito, may akyatan dito. Ay, hindi. Wala pala.
Ah, ito, may dalawang crate dito. Uy, heavy.
Dropping ammo here. Loading.
Hostiles launched a cruise missile. Hostile UAV in the area.
Lipad-lipad yung electric kill.
Gawa nga ako ng dalawang fortress para mabilis.